In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Asana. If you've been considering using this powerful project management tool to streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and get Asana up and running on your device. To begin with, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you usually use. Once your browser is open, head over to the Asana website by typing asana.com into the address bar and hitting enter. The website should load pretty quickly, bringing you to the home page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about the platform and how it can really enhance team collaboration. Once you're on the Asana homepage, keep an eye out for the download options. These will guide you to the download link specifically for the Asana app. At this point, you'll notice options tailored for different devices like Windows, Mac, iPhone, or iPad. Go ahead and select the one that matches your device, and you'll be directed to the download page. When you're on this page, look for the prompt that says "Download Now" and click it. This will kickstart the downloading process. Depending on your internet speed, the download might only take a couple of moments. While you're waiting for the download to complete, it might be useful to double-check that your device has enough storage space and that it meets the necessary system requirements for a smooth installation. Once the download is complete, the next step involves following the on-screen instructions to install the Asana app on your device. The installation process is typically quite straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and within just a few clicks, you'll have Asana all set up and installed. Now, if you're looking for an alternate method to integrate Asana into your workspace, you can take advantage of Google Chrome's capabilities. Begin by selecting the Google Apps icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From there, make your way over to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, type in Asana to search for the Asana extension. This search should direct you straight to the Asana extension page. Once there, click on the Add to Chrome button to start installing the extension. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation, and you'll need to click on Add Extension to proceed. After it's added, you can make Asana even more accessible by pinning the extension to your Chrome browser. To do this, simply click on the puzzle piece icon, locate the Asana extension, and select the pin option to ensure it's always within easy reach. Alternatively, for a quicker start, you might consider creating a desktop shortcut for Asana. And there you have it. Whether through the app or the browser extension, you're now set to enjoy all the benefits Asana has to offer. With these tools at your fingertips, collaborating, organizing your projects, and managing tasks just got a whole lot more efficient. Thank you for watching, and enjoy working with Asana.